That's a mango. Only
Yes, slightly possible.
hello, little ones.
You're going to be huge, are you?
I like that one.
Which one? The little brown one? Or the little
No, the
Millie?
big one. Oh my gosh. The little Millie here.
The little Billy.
Yeah.
Yes.
So cute. And the big one
The
also.
big one is going to
Look.
go into a monster.
Yes.
Oh, but you are naughty. That was quite naughty. I just saw you roughly tap the
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. I think it's going to be quite big.
Is that a poodle, madam?
These two, I think,
Havanese.
poodle cross.
Okay.
And the big thing, the sort of white and honey, is
But-
a cross, it's a Havanese. And
Yeah.
I think Maltese, but it's huge. But maybe it's so huge people prefer.
I think it's Maltese, that one.
Which one?
The
white one?
other one.
Ma'am,
Hello.
are you waiting here, ma'am?
Sorry?
Are you waiting here?
No, we're just looking.
focus on these actions, structures, and of course making the AI, reflecting the real world dynamics.
Well, it's given us a lot to think about. Really interesting, especially painting a picture of what we're going to see in the future once it gets to that level. Where we're starting to see more and more applications of this and how the future of transportation is going to change, as Stefan was talking about. Thanks so much for coming in. We look forward to keeping up with what you're getting up to.